A necessary condition for high performance is to work in flow. Flow is achieved when the difficulty and pace of the work at hand is matched to the capability of the person executing it. Welcome to the Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint, and reach your goal. Flow within a system of work, such as a project or a factory, is enabled by matching the release of work to the capacity of the system constraint, the bottleneck. In TOC, this bottleneck is called the drum because its beat synchronizes all component parts of the whole. Push work into the system faster than the drum can complete it, and you create a logjam. Release work too slowly, and the drum misses a beat. The flow stutters, and production drops for minutes or hours, with the inevitable consequence of degraded performance. When you know the capacity of the drum, you can control the release of the appropriate amount of work to keep value flowing through the bottleneck at the optimum speed. The theory of constraints production and project management systems, drum buffer rope and critical chain, were invented to solve the challenge of releasing work in the Goldilocks zone. Not too much, not too little, but just right. My course for systems thinkers explores how to embed the idea and realize the benefits of working in flow as a foundation process for high-performance teams. Using the 5 commandments methodically will optimize value delivered from constraints and contribute significantly to consistent high-performance results over the long haul. To learn more and experience what I mean, click the link in the comments below.